Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Jhaycellhanya here. So in this video, I would like to share to you that I received a parcel, surprise today, a Harley Davidson parcel. So let's watch as we open it. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Jhaycellhanya here. So in this video, would like to share to you that I received a parcel sponsored. So thanks to who are sponsored all this one inside. I don't know what is inside. Thank you so much. Okay. Okay, thank you so much for the delivery sponsored. So here one t-shirt of Harley. Oh, thank you so much. Okay. Hi, Jhaycellhanya. We receive a parcel. So we will show you guys at early in the morning. I receive a parcel. Okay, so here this is a card. It's a thank you card, and then hand sanitizer because now is a pandemic time. Okay, so this is a sanitizer. So we receive a letter, a love letter. Okay. Okay, thank you so much for okay. So thank you so much. We enjoy the sponsor from. Okay, so here is the t-shirt. Wow, so nice. It's a Harley Davidson t-shirt I received and is sponsored by Mr. Dandy Son. Okay, so here we have another one more t-shirt. Wow, I like it. Thank you so much. I like. Thank you so much for the sponsor. Okay, so another one more here, another 3 pieces. Okay, yeah, from Malaysia, Harley Davidson from Malaysia. Okay, so another one more here. Okay, another one more here. But a bit bigger. Okay, so nice. Medium but big. Now big. Okay. After so long, I never get the Harley Davidson t-shirt. Okay, this is also medium. Shirt. Wow. I got shirt for my vlog. So nice. Thank you so much for the sponsor. I love you always. I got 2. Okay, nice. Oh, the behind is like it's nice if have a partner at the lower part. All is medium. Is for me. All is for me. Thank you so much for the sponsor of the Harley Davidson t-shirt. So thank you so much. Thanks for the sponsor. So I received a bottle of sanitizer. So we open it. How is it? Nice. Good morning, guys. Okay, wow. It's a sanitizer. Nice. Okay. Okay. Nice. Alcohol. Say. Nice. The sanitizer is so small. It's very nice. So I can think about it. I have. Okay. try. So here is the one. Nice. Sorry, my background. Nice. Nice. It's really exactly. So this is the number 2. Look like the same, but the difference is this one. So that is the difference. Okay. Nice. Nice. Okay, and then next we will one by one change. This is the next. Nice. Luckily I lose weight now. Nice. Very nice. Nice. I lose weight already. Yay! Thank you. Okay, so now is the next this one. Harley Davidson. Nice. Okay, nice. Nice. Wow. This is the next. Okay. This one is nice. This one nice because of the eagle. Oh, it's a shimmering shine. Okay, so this is okay. It's a t-shirt. The t-shirt nice because of the Harley behind. The Harley here. Oh, here. Nice. Luckily, I lose weight. Hello guys, so that is for today. We received the parcel from a sponsor. Thank you so much for my beloved husband Dandison. Thank you so much for the surprising delivery today. So thank you so much everyone for watching. So this is for today our vlog. So this is how we received today. What we received today. So thank you so much for watching my episode today for my vlog. After so long I never do the vlog because I always do the tutorial. And yes, thank you so much. Today is for Harley Davidson t-shirt collection, and then I received about few t-shirts, about six pieces of t-shirts of blouse. So I got long sleeve also. So thank you so much, Dada. I love you always. Thank you so much for the surprise of delivery today for my t-shirts. And I never expected that, and thank you a lot, and thank you so much. And I'm so sorry for being naughty sometimes. Okay, thank you so much for my t-shirts, all that you buy for me. Thank you. Love you.